Hi to everyone. MEM School of Engineering, Department of ECE, online classes. Subject linear integrated circuits, unit number 4. So that is unit number 4 is digital to analog converter and analog to digital converter. So in this chapter, we are going to discuss about types of DAC, that is digital to analog converters. We have two types of DACs. One is binary weighted resistor, another one is R2R ladder type DAC. Okay, let's see one by one. So first one is binary weighted resistors, that is utilize the summing op-amp circuit. Okay, already we discussed in the operation amplifier application. We know that summing amplifier. Using summing amplifier, we are going to design a binary weighted circuit. So weighted resistors are used to distinguish each bit from the most significant to the least significant. So transistors are used to switch between V reference and ground, bit high or low. So schematic of DAC. So binary word D. So D1 to DN, MSB, LSB. So V reference given to the DAC, that is VR plus or minus. Then VF plus or minus. So weighted resistor DAC, that is R of R1, R2, that is 2 power 1 R, 2 power 2 R, 2 power 3 R, and 2 power N. Okay. So that is output voltage is equal to I0 into RF is equal to VR into RF divided by R, and D1 2 power minus 1 plus D2 2 power minus 2 up to Dn 2 power minus n. So in this concept, the V reference value connected with the concept. Okay, here we have switches, that is D1, D2, D3 are switches. So when first D1 bit is 1 means it is connected to the reference. If it is 0 means it will connected to the ground. So only we can define the digital input value. In this model, when increase the number of bits, the resistant value will be increased. That is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. Like that, it will be increasing. Okay, this is the value that was input to the digital inputs. If 0 means output, the analog output will be 0. When 1 means output will be minus 15 volt. So this is the basic model of digital to analog converter. So weighted resistor model. So its input reference voltage is minus 5 volt. Digital input on the 111. Analog output will be 4.3 for this value, because we are connecting the all the values are 1. Okay. Same as 101. Okay. So this is 110. Okay. So in weighted resistor, we have a drawback. So what is the drawback we have in the weighted resistor? When increasing the number of bits, the resistance value will be increasing. So if you go for 8-bit means it will produce some problems. So that means it will the resistance will be in the meg ohm. So we are using reference voltage 12 volt. So it will affect the total stability of the system. So we cannot use the weighted resistor for the more number of applications. So we go for the R2 or DAC. So in R2 or DAC, here we are using same circuit, but the resistance value will be varying. That means here we are using the resistance as only two values, R and 2R. Okay, R and 2R. And here we are using the resistance network as R2R. That means if you are using 5 volt means, sorry. If you are using 5 kilo means, so 5 kilo and 10 kilo will be used in the whole circuit. So it is R2R ladder DAC. Okay, these are the different concept. So when analyze, say if you are giving an input like 100 means, it will analyze the using resistance network and simplification, we can define the output. That is V out is equal to minus R into D by 2R, C by 4R, B by 8R, A by 16R. R2R ladder DAC. So this is the diagram. So R2R ladder DAC input and output model. So R2R DAC input and output examples. Then DAC monolithic IC. Okay. So when you go for design IC, we need a, so when you go for a system, we need a DAC IC. So the IC is implemented 181408. It is a 8-bit DAC, which is connected with the 8-bit input. So it is a 8-bit DAC, which is giving 8 input and 1 output. Okay. So application of digital to analog converters. DACs are used in the digital signal processing. They are also used in the digital power supplies for microcontroller. So DACs are used in the digital potentiometers. They are used in the digital data acquisition system. The weighted resistor circuit is the fastest converting circuit compared to other methods. High resolution and accuracy can be achieved. So DACs are simple to implement. So disadvantage of digital to analog converter. So voltage level must be exactly the same for all inputs in weighted resistor DAC. So binary weighted resistor circuits that require op-amps are expensive. So power dissipation of binary weighted resistor circuit is very high. In R2 or ladder converters, delay is caused as the circuit needs switching based on the input. So gain error, offset error, nonlinear delay is commonly caused by resistors using the circuit. Okay. So this is the concept of a DAC of types. Okay. So these are the simulation input and output conditions. Okay. So V out is here, V out is equal to minus 2 by 2R divided by R, minus VR divided by 16 is equal to VF divided by 8. So when we are giving 001, the full division divided by 8 value will be executed. Okay. So these are the simulation of weighted resistor DAC. So in this condition, we are giving 3 inputs to the DAC. That is, if all the inputs are 1, output will be 4.3. So here you have a doubt. So why the output is 4.3 volt? Okay, because we are giving 5 volt as a reference, but we will get the 4.3. So 4.3 is the reference depend on the voltage saturation. Because we were giving 5 reference voltage, means the output will be 4.5 or 4.4 or 4.3 like that only output will be there in the real time conditions. Solely it will be given like this. Okay. So next class we will see the inverted R2R model, that is voltage mode and current mode, and DAC switches. What type of switches used in the DAC? So how the DACs are used as switches in the different applications. Okay. Thank you.